Structure of CsCl. Structure of CsCl. Cesium chloride. Structure of cesium chloride. Cesium chloride. Structure of cesium chloride. Okay. In cesium chloride, structure of cesium chloride. In cesium chloride, the radius ratio of cation, the radius ratio of cations, the radius ratio of cations and anions, are cesium positive ions cations upon R chlorine negative ions anion is equal to 1.69 upon 1.81 equal to 0.93. On the basis of radius ratio value, its structure should be body centered. Structure should be body centered. Structure should be body centered cubic, in bracket BCC. Okay. In cesium chloride, the radius ratio of cations, C positive ions and anions, C chlorine ions, is 1.69 upon 1.81 equal to 0.93. Then on the basis of radius ratio value, its structure should be body centered cubic, BCC. The chlorine negative ions are present at the corners. The chlorine negative ions present at the corners. Of the cube, and cesium ions at the body centered of the cubic. Each cesium positive ions is surrounded by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chlorine negative ions. Each cesium positive ions, that means cations, is surrounded by 8 chlorine ions, is thus at ratio S. Chlorine ions similarly each chlorine ions negative ions, each chlorine ions is surrounded by 8 cesium positive ions. Hence coordination number of cesium positive ions and chlorine negative ions is thus at ratio 8. The CsCl structure you can show. The unit cell of CsCl has 1 cesium ions and 1 chlorine ions, which is calculated as follows. Number of cesium ions. Number of cesium positive ions is equal to 1 at body centered. Multiply 1 equal to 1, and the number of chlorine ions and number of chlorine negative ions is 8 at corners. Multiply 1 by 8 equal to 1. Thus, in an unit cell there are 1 cesium ion and 1 chlorine ion. Hence, the stoichiometry of cesium ion and chlorine ion is 1:1. Okay? Hence, the stoichiometry of Cs positive ions, Cl negative ions is 1:1. Okay, and the coordination number is 8:8. Coordination number 8:8. So the structure of CsCl cesium chloride is body centered cubic type of arrangement. The compound such as cesium bromide, cesium iodide, tellurium chloride, etc. have a cesium chloride type structure. Since the coordination number of cesium chloride is higher than since the coordination number of cesium chloride is higher than of sodium chloride. It is expected that cesium chloride is more stable than NaCl. It is expected that cesium chloride is cesium chloride is more stable than sodium chloride. This is because each cesium positive ion has more ions of opposite charge as its neighbors. Actually, cesium chloride lattice has been found to be 1% more stable than sodium chloride lattice. Okay. Next is structure of zinc sulphide. Structure of zinc sulphide. ZnS. In ZnS, the radius ratio Rzn to positive ion upon R as to negative ions, that is R positive ion upon R negative ion is equal to 0.74 upon 1.84, that is 0.40. The radius ratio value reveals that the coordination number is 4, and it has a tetrahedral structure. The coordination number is 4. In ZnS, the radius ratio is 0.74 upon 1.80, that is 0.40. The radius ratio value reveals that the coordination number is 4 and it has tetrahedral structure. And tetrahedral structure. Okay. Each zinc positive ion is surrounded by 4 sulfur negative ions, and similarly, each sulfur negative ion is also surrounded by 4 zinc positive 2 ions. ZnS has 2 types of structure. First is zinc blend structure. And second is Burj structure. Butyized structure. Okay? First is zinc blend structure and second is butyized structure. Okay? There are 2 types of structure of zinc sulphide. Okay? In zinc blend structure, the 4 sulfur negative ions are present in a cubic closed pack. In zinc blend structure, 4 sulfur negative ions are present in a cubic closed pack, CCP. Cubic closed pack, CPP type of arrangement, wherein in butyized structure, sulfur 2 negative ions are present in hexagonal closed packed HCP, hexagonal closed pack HCP type of arrangement. The structure of ZnS has been, you can show of this structure. Okay, thank you. And the structure of zinc sulphide is ended, and next structure is structure of AX2 type of compounds we will be study about in next heading, in the next video the structure of AX2 type compounds. Okay, thank you.